2 Corinthians chapter 12 verse 5 to 6, and I'm doing my 695th King James Version Bible read. And we have some Koine Greek words still. And let me just read right now. Verse 5. Examine yourselves whether ye be in the faith. Prove your own selves. Know ye not your own selves? Know ye not your own selves? How that Jesus Christ is in you, except ye be reprobates. Verse 6. But I trust that ye shall know that we are not reprobates. So, let's talk about verse 5 first. So, the first word in Koine Greek in verse 5 is perazete. Perazete. KJV, examine. Lexical meaning, test, put to the test, or examine. The next word is pistei. Pistei comes from the root word pisti. Pisti is faith. So KJV wrote pistei or translated pistei as faith, lexical meaning belief or trust or faith. Now, next word is dokimazete. Dokimazete. KJV proof. First word parazete, examine. And this word is dokimazete. KJV got it, write it as proof. The actual meaning of dokimazete is approve after testing or examine or test. Almost the same. It's somehow synonymous to each other. Actually, it's the root word probably is ete. All right. The next word is epiginoskete. Epigi, epigi, epiginoskete. Epiginoskete. KJV, know. Lexical meaning, know fully or recognize or understand. Next word is Jesus. Jesus. KJV, Jesus. Lexical meaning, Jesus. Next word, Christus. Jesus Christus. Christos, KJV, Christ. Lexical meaning, anointed one or Christ. The next word is a. KJV, except. Lexical meaning, if or whether. Next word is métis. There's no translation. So this is implied. But the lexical meaning of métis is unless perhaps or if indeed not. All right. Last word. Actually, this is not the last word. I'm gonna share some trivia after this word. Adokimoy. Adokimoy. KJV, reprobates. Lexical meaning, disapprove, unapprove, or failing the test. But this is the last word in the actual verse in KJV, reprobates. However, heiotus has been mentioned 3 times, and it means in lexical meaning it is yourselves. And then a has been mentioned twice, lexical meaning if or whether. And este has been mentioned twice as well, and it means in lexical meaning it is you are. In KJV, ye be. In lexical meaning, you are. All right. Now we will go to the more literal rendering. However, let me just read it back, verse 5, before the more literal rendering and modern rendering. Examine yourselves whether ye be in the faith. Prove your own selves. Know ye not your own selves, how that Jesus Christ is in you, except ye be reprobates. All right. So, in more literal rendering, this is how it sounds like if we gather all the Koine Greek words and put it together and reconstruct it in an English structure. Test yourselves whether you are in the faith. Test your own selves. Or do you not recognize or do you not recognize your own selves that Jesus Christ is in you? Unless indeed you are disapproved. Remember reprobates, disapprove, unapprove, or failing the test or fail the test. Now, modern rendering. Examine yourselves and see whether you truly Let me just read it back. Examine yourselves and see whether you truly stand in the faith. That test yourselves. Do you not recognize that Jesus Christ is in you? Unless of course you fail the test. All right. So in effect, Apostle Paul is saying you're looking for a proof if I am, or if I'm speaking, or if Christ or Jesus Christ, or if Christ is speaking through me. How about examine yourselves and you will find it out. So basically, Apostle Paul is saying that, telling them that. Anyways, 2 Corinthians chapter 13 verse 6. Uh, I'll read that later on. First word, apizo. KJV, I trust. Lexical meaning, I hope, I expect, or I trust. The next word is de. KJV, but. Lexical meaning, however, or and, or but. Hoti. KJV, that. Lexical meaning, because or that. Nosteste. No, sorry. Noseste. Noseste. KJV, ye shall know. Lexical meaning, you will know, or you will recognize, or come to know. You will come to know. Now, the next word is the last word as well. Adokimoi, reprobates. So reprobates has been mentioned, or adokimoi has been mentioned in verse 5, also in verse 6. Both of them are in the last word of both verses. So again, adokimoi in KJV, reprobates. Lexical meaning, disapprove, unapprove, or failing the test. So failing the test. So before more literal rendering, I'm gonna read it. I'm gonna read now, verse 6. I'm gonna read verse 6 right now. But I trust that ye shall know that we are not reprobates. Earlier, except you be reprobates. Now in verse 6, Apostle Paul is, I'm gonna explain that later on. Let me just read the more literal rendering. But I hope that you will not, but I hope that you will know that we are not disapproved. Modern rendering, but I trust that you will recognize that we have not failed the test. So, verse 5, except ye be reprobates, except ye be disapproved, unapproved, or failing the test, after examining yourselves. And in verse 6, examine yourselves so that you could recognize that we are not reprobates, or we are not disapproved, unapproved, or we failed your test. Because you will, all right. Because in verse 5, Apostle Paul said, examine yourselves whether ye be in the faith. In verse 6, I trust that ye shall know that we are not reprobates. So after you examining yourselves, you will know that we are not disqualified, or our ministry is not disqualified. Apostle Paul is just basically saying, or the point of us, Apostle Paul is basically, you Corinthians, if you are listening to the super apostles, chiefest apostles, or false apostles, try to examine yourselves. Once you examine yourselves genuinely, and you find that Christ is in you, then you will know, then you should know that our ministry, my ministry, and my disciples' ministry towards you, providing service unto you, you will know that we are doing, or we are serving the one true God, which is our Lord Jesus Christ. That's because you'll be able to find in yourselves that we are sharing, or we are serving the same God. So you should examine yourselves, test yourselves, examine yourselves, and you will know that Christ is in you, and then you will know that Christ is in us, speaking through us. All right, that's verse 5 and 6 of our Bible reading. And I think that's it for me today. Tomorrow we'll be discussing 7 and 8. And yeah, I'll be seeing you tomorrow. God bless you. Keep safe. Bye for now.